फ्रेंड्स, HDFC बैंक, HMT घड़ी या HD टीवी के नाम तो हम सब सुनते रहते हैं, लेकिन ये सब क्या है? या HIV HDU भी हम सब हॉस्पिटल्स में लिखे हुए देखते हैं, पर यह भी क्या है? क्यूरियस हो गए ना? डोंट वरी फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू नॉलेज स्ट्रीट चैनल, India's most reliable and trusted educational and entertainment channel। चलिए आज हम सब एच से शुरू होने वाले ऐसे ही मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स और उनके फुल फॉर्म्स के बारे में जानते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट। फ्रेंड्स, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो टू योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली इन ग्रुप्स। HCF, highest common factor. HAMR, heat assisted magnetic recording. HANS, head and neck support. HARM, high speed anti-radiation missile. HAZMAT, hazardous material. HBO, home box office. HBV, hepatitis B virus. H, Henry. HD, high definition. HDD, hard disk drive. HDL, high density lipoprotein. HDMI, high definition multimedia interface. HDR, hard disk recorder. HDTV, high definition television. HE, high explosive. HEAT, high explosive anti-tank. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. HLL, high level language. HLVW, heavy logistics vehicle wheeled. HPCL, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. HPGL, Hewlett Packard Graphics Language. HP, Hewlett Packard. HRD, Human Resource Development. HRM, Human Resource Management. HSBC, the Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation. HSSI, High Speed Serial Interface. HTC, High Tech Computer Corporation. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HCL, Hindustan Computers Limited. HDI, Human Development Index. HDFC, Housing Development Finance Corporation. HRT, Hormone Replacement Therapy. HMA, High Memory Area. HQS, High Quality Screening. HR, Human Resources. HSC Higher Secondary School Certificate. HAV Hepatitis A virus. HDLC High Density Lipoprotein Cholesterol. HA Hypertonia arterialis. HAA Hepatitis associated antigen. HAART Highly active antiretroviral therapy. HADS Hospital Anxiety and Depression Scale. HBP High blood pressure. HDU High dependency unit. HUS Hemolytic uremic syndrome. HAI Healthcare associated infection. HDN Hemolytic disease of the newborn. HEC High hematogenic chemotherapy. HGB Hemoglobin. HSV Herpes simplex virus. HMS Huawei Mobile Services. HBK Hall, Bedroom and Kitchen. HT Hindustan Times. HMI Human Machine Interface. HPFS High Performance File System. HC High Court. HBSCE Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education. HEMRL High Energy Material Research Laboratory. HEPC Handloom Export Promotion Council. HHEC Handicrafts and Handloom Exports Corporation. HSL Hindustan Steel Limited. HLC Higher Learning Commission. HCT Hematopoietic Cell Transplantation. HALE Health Adjusted Life Expectancy. HBV Hepatitis B virus. HCC Hepatocellular carcinoma. HSN Harmonized System of Nomenclature. HUDCO Housing and Urban Development Corporation. HVAC Heating, Ventilation and Air Conditioning. HVDC High Voltage Direct Current Transmission. HAC Hindustan Aluminium Corporation. HADP Hill Area Development Program. HAL Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. HDPE High Density Polyethylene. HEC Heavy Engineering Corporation. HISA Hero Indian Sports Academy. HMI Himalayan Mountaineering Institute. HMT Hindustan Machine Tools. HZ Limited Hindustan Zinc Limited. HUL Hindustan Unilever Limited. HMC Hero Motocorp Limited. HIL Havells India Limited. HFC Haryana Financial Corporation. HCL Hawkins Cookers Limited. H&M Henge and Morris. HTIS Huawei Telecom Integrated Solutions. HCIA Huawei Certified ICT Associate. HMB His Master's Voice. HZ Hajj. HMMWV High Mobility Multipurpose Wheeled Vehicles. HYVS High Yield Variety Seeds. HF High Frequency. HTR High Temperature Reactor. HEL High Energy Laser. HFC Hydrofluorocarbon. HPC Handheld Personal Computer. HRSC High Resolution Stereo Camera. HPCC High Performance Computing and Communications. HQS High Quality Screening. HMA High Memory Area.